Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Quick disclaimer, this is actually a re-upload. The previous video got deleted due to some copyright claims from the background music that I had playing. So I'm going to create this website banner, as you can see. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is go to photos and search for plant shadow. I just those were the keywords that I was looking for, so that's what I typed in, and I just select it and set it as my background for my design. You'll see me select R, well, you can't see, but select R on my keyboard and a rectangle will appear. I'm just going to create an overlay, and I'm just going to stretch this out so it fits the entire design, and then I'm going to turn the transparency down to a 78. And I'm also going to lock this because I don't want, when I'm moving around any elements or text, I accidentally move this. Now I am going to add some text to our design. Listen, this is probably one of my favorite parts of designing. I just love experimenting with fonts, and Canva has some really nice fonts that you can use to add a little razzle dazzle to your design. Tell you what, I am going to upload a video, not necessarily a video, but probably as like a slideshow kind of thing on some fonts that you can use in your designs. About 20 plus free fonts that you can use in Canva. Now for the 60% that I typed here, I actually made it a bit larger than the 50% because you're placing emphasis on the value that you're offering or the deal that you're offering. So I actually make it slightly larger. I got these images from Google and I am not using them for commercial purposes. Be careful whenever you're using other people's property for commercial use. Ensure you read the copyright instruction carefully to avoid any form of legal implications. And that is it, guys. Comment down below and give me your thoughts, or comment down below and tell me what other tutorials you'd like to see me do. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload.